Well, this'll be fun. Pull up! Take good care of him, Jason!
Oh, I'm gonna take care of him all.
Pull it back so you don't dump! Hold on. There you go, babe. Ooh, look at him go! Holy cow!
You want to turn?
We'll see.
Is that how fast we went or way slower?
I think that's about how fast you guys went. Could you guys hear him scream? I could hear him scream from here.
Yeah, I did. Oh, Jason does shark.
Yes. He may. Let's watch.
I thought I was going to be stuck down there forever because I couldn't get back up. When I went down in the water, I couldn't get back up. Yeah, I went all the way down, touched the bottom, and then came back up. It took a long time for me to get up.
Here he comes. He doesn't want to let go. He's going to fall. Holy cow, he's really on that too.